All right, we are now live. All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today's AIBS Live Facebook stream. My name is Diane Bosanchuk. I'm the Membership Manager for the American Institute of Biological Sciences. If you're not familiar with AIBS, we are a national scientific organization dedicated to advancing biology for the benefit of science and society. We work to ensure that the public, legislators, funders, and the community of biologists have access to and use information that will guide them in making informed decisions about matters that require biological knowledge. One way we do this is by providing decision makers information, and we do this independently and in partnership with members and business partners. So to remind you a little bit about what these events are all about, we have a weekly Facebook live stream that we talk about activities and programs that AIBS is involved in. So every Wednesday at noon, I'm joined with someone to discuss a topic or theme. So it sometimes is internally within AIBS, and sometimes it's some of our organizational members. All of these videos are now on YouTube and on Facebook. You can search YouTube for AIBS videos, all one word, or just visit our Facebook, or visit our website, to find the link on the bottom of the page. You can also find this obviously on our Facebook page. And the Facebook link is also on the bottom of our website. So if you have not already, please like our Facebook page and or subscribe to our YouTube page to make sure you get notifications of these great talks. I encourage you to also visit our website to find out more about us and what we are doing in the biology community today. So today I'm joined with James Verdier. He's in our publications office, and we're going to talk a little bit about the latest Bioscience Talks podcast. Thanks for joining me today, James.
Thanks for having me on.
So tell us, what's this month's podcast all about?
Okay, so first of all, we took off December, so this is the first new one in a long time, so I'm sure that everyone's appetites are whetted. I talked with Dr. Andrew Hope. He's from Kansas State University, and what he was telling me about was a study that they did to check on the effects of removing specimens from a population of rodents. So, specimen collection is a very important thing for biodiversity research and a lot of other kinds of research too. It lets people know, sort of where animals can be collected, where species exist, how populations are changing over time, all that kind of stuff. But there's sometimes resistance to collecting, and one of the reasons for that is a concern about the possibility that, by removing samples, you're potentially endangering the population. And so what they did was look at some historical data, actually from the 1990s, wherein there was all this information and data that kind of revealed whether or not there was any effect on a population when specimens were removed for natural history collections. And I'm not going to spoil it here, but I urge everyone to listen. bioscienceaibs.libsyn.com. And also we'll be posting a link on the AIBS homepage shortly. So go check out that podcast. It's a good one.
And so this is also, I know, the latest issue of Bioscience is out. And this is, our podcasts are always based on an article from a Bioscience article.
Yeah.
And so that one is currently out, correct?
It is, yeah. And you'll find that in our January issue, which you can get to by searching for Bioscience. You can get to that from our homepage. And also, you'll find Dr. Hope's article, and you'll also find that in the show notes for the podcast if you wind up there first.
Awesome. All right. Well, I'm really excited. I can't wait to listen to it. And again, like James said, we will be updating the website probably once we get off this stream. And so again, thank you, James, for joining. And everybody, please make sure you go and listen to that latest podcast. The podcast is also now posted on, or they are now currently posted on the YouTube page as well. There's a specific channel for our Facebook Lives, for our podcast, and for any of our SPARS related videos. So you can find them there as well. The latest one that James just talked about will be added later today, and so will this video to the YouTube page. So again, you can find them all there. So I would like to thank all of our individual and organizational members for their support. Without them, we would not be able to provide these live streams. So if you are not already a member, please join us today and enjoy the benefits of an AIBS membership and help bring biology to life. Thank you, James, for joining us, and I will see everybody next week. Bye.
Bye-bye.